Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Etsy. And I thought I would see what it is. Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. Holy shamoly. I think those are the weekends. Isn't that neat how it's like a different color? Oh my gosh. I'm excited. So this is from Planner Press in South Dakota. Now this was a freebie. I did not order this, but I am loving it. Oh, look! If you love this, you'll love our digital dash box subscription. You'll get over 300 files of every month in all of the popular planner sizes for only $9.95 a month. How about that? That's kind of cool. Okay, and then I got a couple dashboards, and these are a little bigger than I expected, but that's okay. I love them. Oh my goodness. This says Relax, Refresh, Reconnect. And this one says Hot Mess Express. Those are really cute. And then this is for a larger planner. This will fit my regular planner. This says Sweater Weather. And isn't that cute? And it's like soft. I don't know what kind of fabric or what kind of paper that is, but it's really neat how it's printed. And these are on glossy, like hard cardstock. They aren't laminated. I will probably laminate them. I don't know if I'll laminate this one because it feels so neat. And then these are really cool. You can make like little file tabs. You just fold the bows over, and I got pink metallic, and so you can fold the bows over and make little tabs. And this is vellum. Isn't this cute? I love that. And then these are two magnetic bookmarks that I just thought were adorable. So that is everything I got, and I just now noticed that there's hedgehogs on this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. So I am loving these. These are really, really neat. I really like this stuff. That's so cool. So that is what I got from, I've already forgotten the name of it, Planner Press? Yes, Planner Press. So check them out on Etsy, guys. I will try to remember to link them below. If I forget, please remind me and I'll be happy to include it. So thank you very much. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.